Hey guys, so welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about how you can get a free pair of Bose headphones with the purchase of an iPhone 12 through Visible Wireless. If you guys don't know who Visible Wireless is, they're basically a prepaid carrier that's really under kind of Verizon. They will use Verizon's towers, and the cool thing about it is that it's unlimited data, talk and text, and data for only $40 a month, guys. Yes, that's unlimited data for only $40 a month, which is great. Now your speeds are going to be deprioritized, so that means that times of congestions, you will notice that your speeds are slower when you're in a busy area where a lot of users are using Verizon. So yeah, like here in my area, Verizon or Visible Wireless is probably not the best, but in the city it is. Just where I'm at, it's very rural, and a lot of people use Verizon or other, more rural carriers. But let's go ahead and talk about this. But before we continue, let's go ahead and talk about our supporter for today of the channel, and that is Honey, guys. Honey is a free web browser extension for Google Chrome that finds you the best promo codes on any popular shopping website, really. So that includes, you can even save money here on Visible Wireless. It'll find a promo code and it'll apply it automatically, but that's good for Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. Once you download it on your Google Chrome browser, make your first purchase, I will get a small commission. Like I said, that's how you get the promo codes, guys. It saves you. It's a free. Why not use it, Whoops. So let's get into it, guys. So here it is, the iPhone 12 Pro now available. So now it is available on Visible Wireless. Like I said, check out Visible Wireless, guys. You can even get it down to like $20 or $25 a month if you partner up with some people. So they have the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pros now, and you'll see that the prices are a little bit more. This actually has two promotions, like I'll be telling you here. So if you get an iPhone 12, you get a $100 prepaid Mastercard virtual account card, a virtual account. You will get an $150 if you do the iPhone 12 Pro, guys. So same thing, as you can see here, there's different ones like the SE, you get $100, and here you get a $150. Let's say virtual Mastercard, basically. So it's pretty cool. So right here, guys, if you can see, the iPhone 12 is $840, while the iPhone 12 Pro is $1,080. Yes, that's a little bit more, than normal. So it's an extra, $20 or whatever on the side. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it, guys. You can also finance this phone. So this is as low as $35 a month with 0% APR. And then the 12 Pro is $42 a month, which is great, guys. Like I said, it's $40 unlimited, everything with Visible Wireless. So check them out. So now let's get into this promo right here. As you can see right there. Whoops, I didn't want to go there. So as you can see, it says promotional gift. So right now it says free Bose headphones. See details. Same thing, free Bose headphones. Only works with the 12 and 12 Pro. You can't get it with anything else. See, these other ones have a nimble charging bundle, but we want headphones. So let's go ahead and say we got the iPhone 12 Pro, right? So here's more details. Here's more details on the promotion. It says get free Bose headphones with purchase, port, and activation. So main requirements right there, guys. It's telling you you have to port in from an existing carrier. Cannot be Verizon. Can't use Verizon's tower. So like Total Wireless or anything else that uses Verizon, you're not going to be able to port and get this deal. You have to use a competing carrier. And then, of course, you have to activate the service. And, of course, there's some restrictions. But there's 4 steps. So first step, it'll be you sign up for Visible service. Number 2 is you'll transfer your current phone number from your soon-to-be ex-carrier. That's another cool thing that I like about Visible Wireless is they're pretty funny. They're not super corporate, which I like. Number 3 is purchase one of the smartphones below. So, of course, one of the smartphones below, like a 12 or 12 Pro. Activate your sweet new phone on Visible. And then from there, once you activate service, you can go ahead and get this promo. We'll see more details. And some of the fine details down here says new members who purchase a qualifying device and transfer their existing phone number from another carrier to Visible are eligible to receive a promo code good for the SoundLink around ear wireless headphones too. So those are the headphones that you'll be getting. at youreventcard.com. Eligible devices are shown above. The newly purchased device must be activated on visible service to qualify for the promo. Promo codes are good to redeem on the SoundLink around ear wireless headphones too. Code must be used in a single transaction. Promo code and instructions on how to redeem will be emailed to members within 24 hours after activation. So pretty cool. You'll activate, once you purchase your phone, you'll activate it, and within 24 hours you'll get an email with the promo code that you can use to get these headphones for free. So that's pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and see some restrictions apply, see details. So let's go ahead and read the details here. So pretty cool. They have a whole thing. These are kind of it. I'll show you from Google what they look like, but these are the headphones. So they're actually good. They're over their ear, kind of like, Beats or whatever. So a lot of people do like these. They have noise canceling, all that good stuff. So it says join Visible and get some Bose headphones. And then you can shop for eligible phones. Like I said, it's the 12 or 12 Pro. So here's, like I said, how it works, even more details in 4 steps. So it says buy a phone and bring your number, order an eligible device and bring your current phone number to Visible. So like I said, you have to port your number from a current competitor that's not Verizon, that doesn't use Verizon's network basically. So you can do Boost, you can do T-Mobile, you can do Cricket, so on. And number 2, we'll mail you a SIM card. So this is, if you once you order you'll port your number and buy your phone, and they'll mail you a SIM card. So it's after receiving your SIM with next day shipping inserted into your new phone. So wow, that's pretty cool that they give you next day shipping free. And number 3, you'll activate the service, download and sign in to the app, follow instructions to activate the device. And finally, step 4 is get your Bose headphones, which is the last one that says after activation, you will receive an email with a code to redeem your Bose SoundLink around ear wireless headphones too. It only works for these headphones, guys. It does not work for any other Bose products. And here's the Bose offer overview. It says music makes you feel free. Wires shouldn't get in the way. Wow. So these are actually wireless, guys. Wow, that's pretty cool. SoundLink wireless headphones are engineered for exceptional sound, which stay consistent to any volume thanks to the combination of exclusive technologies with clear calls in any environment, durable materials, and a comfort fit. You can experience wireless freedom and uncompromised performance. Wow, really like it. It looks like it comes with the case. But like I said, these are really nice. I do like that they're wireless. And to finish it off, it says, and what's better than doing that on a service you love? Talking about us right now. We're bringing over your number by qualifying device and activating on Visible. You'll get a code to redeem your very own Bose headphones, which is great. And then of course these are the 2 qualifying phones, like I said. So you get the free Bose headphones, guys, just to be clear, and then you'll get an extra $100 virtual MasterCard or $150 for the 12 Pro. And then of course $40 a month phone service, the simpler way, unlimited data, messages, and minutes, now with uncapped speeds. Powered by Verizon's 4G LTE network, no hidden fees, storage, or annual contracts. And then there's just a disclosure. So overall, you might not be getting a free iPhone 12, but hey, they sweetened the deal by giving you an extra $100 or $150 credit, as well as these sweet headphones. Let's actually look them up and see how much they actually cost. So wow, they're actually around $230, guys. So wow, you're actually getting about $330 worth of products there. If you include the $100 card. So overall, that's pretty good, guys. You're getting a $230 headphones for free. Wow. And like I said, this is what they look like. Of course, these are these colors, but they have, of course, the black. So overall, wow. You can also bring your phone and you get something like this too. So it come with a carrying case. So as long as you buy one of the phones from them, you'll be able to get this promotion, guys, which is pretty sweet. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you be getting this? Like I said, if I wasn't already thinking about getting an iPhone 12 Pro with different promotion, then yeah, I would honestly get it. So pretty sweet, I would say. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you be getting this? And are you excited for the headphones? Do you care about it? And so on. If so, what carrier you'd be switching from? So Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that little bell to become a member to support the channel. Everything will be in the description below as well. So thank you, guys.